Look at the top, y'all. I like the lights. Yep, it's a wrap. I gotta get it. I gotta get the GT500. I'm trading in Killer B. I gotta get it. Look at it. Mercedes-Benz Stadium right there. You see where I'm at? I'm in the A, man. I'm in the A. What's going on, man? It's your boy Savage Speed. Well, Savage, but Savage Speed TV, man. I'm back with another video, man. We finna head to the car meet right now. And right now I'm in the city. I'm in the bitty, so I had to show y'all the Benz Stadium. Gotta show y'all the Benz Stadium through the see-through top. You know what I'm saying? It's there. You know what I'm saying? But finna head into the car meet, man. I heard it's the GT500, the 2020 version out there. So I gotta show up, man. I gotta get y'all the good film. I gotta show y'all what it's like. So, but yeah, man. Bad Hemi calling me right now, so let me see what he talking about. What's up, Brody?
Yo, are you
That's my bro, Bad Hemi, man. My bro done bought me a ticket, so I won't be too late. Mercedes-Benz Stadium, beautiful, y'all. But yeah, he bought me a ticket because, you know, I'm running a little late, and you know, the stand gonna close sooner or later. That's my boy. But yeah, man, I'm back with videos, man. Like I said, income tax season, I've been a little busy, along with a little laziness. So, but I'm back with videos. We got videos coming for. By the way, man, if you haven't subscribed to the vlog channel as of right now, the name is The Savage Family. I keep changing the goddamn name, I know. But The Savage Family. And I tell y'all what I do for a living on that channel. And also, told y'all what I do for a living. And also, I did a hot wing challenge. It's funny as hell. Y'all go check that out. So, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to both channels. And let's do it, man. Let's do it, 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 let's do it. Boom, boom, wow. I definitely love this city, man. I love being in Atlanta. If y'all haven't been to Atlanta, man, come out to Atlanta. We at the Georgia World Congress Center, man. If y'all can see that, let me see if I can zoom in. Yes, sir. So, trust and believe, I got new content coming for y'all, man. There's content coming for y'all, man. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got drip to say. 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 Sheesh. Sheesh. But these folk making good bread, boy. Good bread, boy. Hey, that buddy from Cars, huh? The Bad Hemi team.
Yeah.
What's up, Brody?
Savage Speed in the building.
It's good.
Ain't nothing.
How you doing? Good. I want to break it. Oh, fuck it. Fuck it. That's cool. My brother done got me a ticket. Cause he VIP, I'm not, so I'm not. I can't get tickets like him. He just walked up. He said, "Oh, how many you need, Bad Hemi?" I'm like, "Oh shit." It's like, damn. I gotta get like him. Damn. Okay.
How you doing?
Here you go, Chief.
Appreciate it.
Now you know what I want to see. That goddamn GT500. I know I seen some pictures of it.
Yeah, hey, you came here just for that GT.
I came here just for that.
Mr. 1,000 horsepower.
Who that? Who that?
This Mr.
Who that?
1,000 horsepower guy right here.
Nah.
You know what I'm saying?
That look. Ooh, is that the ZR1? That is a ZR1. Sheesh. Yeah. You gotta respect greatness. You have no choice but to respect greatness. Chevy Blazer. How y'all like it, man? Y'all tell me how y'all like it, man. It look like the Camaro on the inside, but it's a Blazer though. Hey man, that's you right there.
No, it ain't.
That's that. Oh man. Look at over there. Look at that thing over there. Sheesh. Yep, it's a wrap. I gotta get it. I gotta get the GT500. I'm trading in Killer B. I gotta get it. Look at it. Sheesh. Sheesh. Come on, it's here. It's here. How many miles on there?
What they were saying,
Oh yeah, Venom. 325. 325 miles on it right now. Sheesh. Brody,
I don't see it.
you think I got to trade in Killer B for it, man? What you think?
Hey man, I mean, it's whatever's clapping, baby. I mean, but right now you got something pushing more than what this pushing off the road.
Yeah, but look at it though.
Look at it. I tell you, but once you take yours up there to the board, people gonna be like, hey, this what y'all should have did.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This what y'all should have did.
I mean, look at the carbon fiber rims, man. Look at the carbon fiber. I call it carbon fiber.
Look at the wheels.
Look at the wheels on the Shelby. Look at the wheels on the Shelby.
They got the quad. Look at the exhaust. Sheesh. I could fit the whole camera.
You put your whole hand in there.
Yeah, that is. Look at this.
You put your whole hand in there.
Put your hand in the booty. Don't put your hand in the booty. You're nasty. You're nasty. Get your hand out the. Got the cookie jar, man.
I don't know, man. 300 game. What y'all think, man? Huh?
They got the 5.2. Okay. Journal is more than 700. We already knew that. It's an auto. We already knew that. 7-speed. 0 to 60 in the mid 3-second range. So, okay. I mean, look at this wing, y'all. Do y'all see this wing? Look at this wing and this carbon fiber as well, man. It's huge. Look at the wing. It's huge. What's that, Brody?
I give him that. Is she pretty?
Yeah, she pretty. Look at the hood, dog. Look at the hood.
I just hate to say she fair shit. We'll see though. There's a reason why they came out to final numbers. What do you think your reason is?
I think the final number is like really like 730.
Yeah.
And I feel like, oh, they ain't got no back seats.
Yeah, that's the race spec.
Oh, okay. So this the okay. So this just fully loaded. Okay.
Yeah,
I didn't even notice that.
And then they got the other one.
What the other one?
Mine version. I don't see it there. They brought out the big boy that's out of Atlanta to see.
Yeah.
You know.
He definitely here.
This is the Pilot Cup, the Pilot Sports.
Yeah. I like it though. I honestly do like it. But like I mean, I don't think it's worth trading it in my car.
No.
I don't think it's worth trading in Killer B for. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. This right here, that's sick. Look, that is sick.
That's that downforce. I mean, she pretty. Like I said, she bad. Go on over. Come take a trip over to the Atlanta Motor. Take a trip over to where it really
And then, what about the Supra? We gotta look at the Supra.
Oh,
Yeah,
we gotta show those.
what Mopar got going on? Wait, besides the demon that we done seen, what Mopar got?
We got that red out, man.
That's a downgrade from the man. Look. Okay.
Let's look at it.
Okay. Yeah, it really do look like a wrap.
I mean,
Now they keep saying the back of it look like a Prius.
you see this up in there? You trade on me? Uh-oh, Mrs. Bad over here. Mrs. Hemi over here.
She want the Yoda? Oh.
That's a Toyota?
That's a Yoda? I like that. Yeah.
Really flexing. Got the door.
I like the light. I like the lights. I do.
You know what? This is kind of disrespectful to the true Supra lovers.
Yeah.
And it's small.
Yeah. And it looked like it. They said it looked like a Prius in the back.
And you know what? This is what happens when you have a hybrid between the Toyota and the BMW boys. This is what they came up with.
Yep. This what they came up with.
I mean, to me, it looked like a BMW. I mean, to be honest with you.
And the motor, we don't know if the motor can do the same thing as the last motor.
Right.
And which I highly doubt. But, you know.
Well, look at the ads on it. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. I had a booty tooted on that thing, man. I ain't gonna lie, I really don't like the back, though. I'm trying to like the back. It got some nice exhaust tips on it, but I don't think I like the back.
Yeah, give me the old school.
Yeah.
Give me the old school.
So y'all come in if y'all want the old school or the new school. Old school or new school.
I mean, look at the cockpit, Mike. I can't fit in there.
Yeah.
Me, boy. It'll be over with me getting in there. I can't do nothing with it.
Yeah. What is it? Oh, this the race car Supra.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, when I saw the price, I kept got everything.
Okay. This the race car Camaro. All right. We don't see him my Ford. We don't see Chevy. Let's go on and go to the Mopar for my boy Bad Hemi, man.
We gotta go take a trip to the land of Mopar.
Where the Mopar, man? If they got Mopar in here, they probably know better. Damn, look at this. Well, damn. Okay.
Okay, Ford. That's how you feel.
Okay. So so you gotta climb in the truck now. Sheesh. You need another car to hop in that and then get on that. God damn. Sheesh. My truck lovers, where are you at? My truck lovers, where are you at, man? Where are you? Come on, truck lovers. Show love right now, man. I don't care if you don't do like Ford. This is it. Not for me. Not for me personally, but this is it.
Hey, man, where we going with this? Where you finna go with this?
I don't know, bro.
You a Ford guy, though.
I mean, I like cars. Preferably coupes. This is on a complete opposite scale of me. We got a baby bottle in the Jeep. It's a baby bottle. Oh. Oh. I like it. Sheesh. This is nice. I'm not sure if this is a wrap. It looked like a wrap, but some of these cars been fooling me today. But it definitely looked like a good color on it, man. I'm liking it. Of course you're gonna have the police out here recruiting. Forty County said they're hiring y'all. They need help.
Ain't nobody been in there.
Yeah.
They come crash the car.
They need help. Our activities are getting a little too wild. I buy my girl this. If she like this, I buy her this. I like the color on it. It's smooth. It's not doing too much. Babe, what you think when you see this? When you see this video, what you think? Oh, he whipping the hell out that motherfucker. Oh. Okay. Oh, so he driving. He driving. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh. God damn. Alright. I'll never let him drive your goddamn car. You know it's slow, right?
It's super slow.
It's slow.
It's disrespectful to the person.
Yeah, it's definitely slow. This one do look good though. It got the red guts. Yeah. Sheesh. Start at 159. You think it's worth it?
Oh no, sir.
159.
Give me the old guy.
Yeah.
That bag you gotta drop off.
Like he just normal or something. like he's not a beast or something. What is? Red interior. You gonna have the NSX. How you gonna have the NSX on a rack that costs as much as this, but way slow?
Like real talk, man.
That's disrespect. It is long, ain't gonna. Sheesh. The LC500 is $92,000. It's a V8 5.0 471. That's not bad.
Scat Pack got 485. I'm just saying. But for
But
Lexus,
that's not bad
good.
though.
For Lexus, that's good.
It's a 5.0.
Yeah, for Lexus V8, that's good.
We don't know if it's a Ford 5.0, you know what I'm saying? But it's a 5.0.
We know. It's a 460. GT's get the 460. But it's nice.
It's not bad. 0 to 60 and 4.4.
It's nice. Yeah.
It's long.
You know, this is for the businessman right now. How long this guy is.
Sheesh. It's like a little Tesla. So, is this the 4-door version?
This picture in a mind frame of the Lexus 4.
Yeah, okay, so this is the 4-door version. I like the coupe better.
Yeah.
I like the coupe better. Behind you.
Oh, okay, the second better.
What y'all feel about that wrap, man? 19 RCXCC. I don't know nothing about that, but it look good. It look good.
Cross country custom. Okay, this is handmade.
2,800 pounds? You serious?
No, 5260. I'm sorry.
Oh, 5260. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, all right. Yeah, it's a boat then. It's just a long. Oh, Jesus. Oh. It smells like peanut butter in here.
Inside peanut
Oh.
outside jelly.
It really do smell like peanut butter though.
You got
Oh.
peanut butter gas with the raspberry.
Sheesh.
Outside, huh?
Oh.
Look at the suede.
Look at the suede. It's super soft.
Yeah, man.
I like it, but it still ain't for me.
I see what y'all got too.
It still ain't for me. I wouldn't buy it. Not for
I
that.
mean,
much.
not for the weight was 52 at 90,
Yeah.
dog.
Yeah.
That's a boat.
That's crazy. And it look like the Performante. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Y'all got the dolls out. We got the GT2 RS over there. Okay. Trying to go to the track.
Yeah, let's get it. Hey. But I'll take them too.
Yeah, it ain't the 3. It ain't the 3, but
Yeah, I'll take him.
I still take. I just don't like all they headlights look like eyeballs, little fish eyeballs. Oh, so y'all got race cars out here. This how y'all doing it with race cars. Sheesh. Yeah, that's a different ball game. Hey, y'all can have that one. It's the Ford Mustang Bullet, man.
What's the name of that movie, man? Remember?
I do not. And it costs $51,000. You buying it? Nah.
Negative.
Nah. Regular 1850 partners to the Shelby.
Coyotes.
This is a good addition for a family, man. You got the speed, Y'all, you know, Mopar is good at that, making family cars that go pretty good, man.
Hey, man, that's our lane.
Yeah.
We got a lane that nobody can't touch, man.
Family and going straight, that's it. Y'all not, don't worry. Yeah.
We got something for that.
The track? What?
Yeah, we got something for the track.
What?
We got that red out.
Man, look.
So we got the entry level.
Nah.
RT.
Uh-oh.
I need to have mine parked in here.
Oh, yeah, you really do.
And then you gonna let me take him.
A Camaro / Trans Am. How y'all feel about it? How do y'all feel about it? Camaro Trans Am. Sheesh. Got a Ferrari right here. Old school Ferrari.
Some of that Miami Vice action.
Yeah, they bringing out them guys. Yeah. Yeah, really. It's over here, man. This is where it's at. Big boy Mclaren's here, man. One of the big boys. Would you buy? Got another Lambo behind it. Another McLaren right there. Got the Lotus right here. I like this color on it. Got the Rolls Royce right here. Got the Bruce Wayne right here. Sheesh. So y'all got money. Got the i8 right here. Camaro turned Trans Am. That's crazy. Look at the top, y'all. Look at the top. Look at the top. Respect the top. Respect the top. Yeah. It's smooth and subtle. Top on. Top off. Top on. Top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. Look at those. Look at it. Look at that. The ass on that land. Yeah, the way it just sit down and tune.
That stance is disgusting.
Yeah. It says 2019 Mclaren Senna, 1 of 150. 2019 Mclaren Senna sold for $1.45 million at auction, which is over 50% over the base price. Sheesh. Got that guy under there. Y'all see it? Oh, that's the race edition. They ain't got nothing in the back. There's nothing in the back. Sheesh. Race edition. Steve. Steve, the gamer. Sheesh. 116? Bro, they want 116 for it. We see you, Steve. Steve. Hey, that boy, Steve. Steve the gamer.
Y'all go subscribe to that boy, Steve the gamer.
If you haven't already, goddamn.
You know.
120, you buying it?
Negative.
You not buying it? 120?
No, I told y'all what I'm gonna buy if I had that kind of bag. It's either gonna be that track, the red eye, or I go ahead and buy that black Huracan.
That red eye not that special, man.
It don't matter, it's special to my place.
You can tell, yeah. This is my. Oh yeah, it got a whole DJ booth in the back. They got a whole DJ booth in the back. Yeah.
They say you got the good stuff. It ain't no cheap. It's the bold.
Honestly, I did not like this wing at first, but it's starting to grow on me, man. And this wing growing on me. Yeah, I wouldn't get it, bro. 146. I wouldn't. 146. Yeah, think about it. I can add 10 grand to my car
Just as fast.
and it'll be faster. And that's less than half the price of this. But it damn sure do look good. One more time before I go. Gotta admire the beast. Alright, y'all, they kicking our ass out. So, y'all see what's behind me. Got the beast behind me, man. Might have to trade it in, which I think. For real, somebody said that?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Oh, word?
To the home assembly production. Y'all go see.
Shit, man.
So when they finally drop the price, release the numbers and the price, what you gonna do? You know, they have these in Germany. When I was in Germany, I seen these over there. I was like, why didn't they start making them in the United States? Now I see.
Good film with my brother as always, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to my brother's channel, Bad Hemi 300s.
Y'all see what it is, man.
The 300 gang.
Already every day.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, subscribe to Savage Speed TV. Also the new vlog channel, The Savage Family. And yeah, man. I love my city. Yes, I do. Alright, y'all, that was a good show, man. They had some nice cars out there, especially that GT500. Y'all know I had to show the Ford some love, man. Y'all know, man. Y'all know how we rockin'. Definitely got to show the GT500 some love. They had some red eyes out there. The new Supra, they had a lot of stuff out there, man. This was at the World Congress Center in Atlanta, right here next to the Benz Stadium. And let me see if I can get a focus. Yeah, right there. So, definitely had some fun, man. Great time, my boy Bad Hemi, man. Like I said, man, y'all know I gotta show love to everybody. Make sure y'all subscribe to my dog Bad Hemi, man. Telling your boy Savage sent you. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the time with me, man. I enjoyed the time with y'all as always. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe to my little ugly ass. Let's do it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. That ZR1 do look goddamn good, but man, Tuxedo, you still my baby. Yes, you is. Damn, you got pollen on you. Fuck.
I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. Ace by the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more real.